Hello guys, so welcome to the first episode of plane spotting from my back garden. So as you can see there's a plane right there. It's going to London Heathrow Airport. But sometimes they go on the right side, this time they go on the left side for now. It's clear skies, no clouds, I like it. This might be a short episode. And there could be A380s, sometimes 747s, A320s, A321s, A319s, and did I say A380s? 777s, 787s. So yeah, anyway, off to the next one. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a plane right there. It's like so far away. I can still see it though, so that's good. Anyway, yeah, off to the next one. Okay, so we've got British Airways. It looks like an A320. Uh-oh, I lost track. Why is my camera going blurry? Okay, there. I'm sorry if it's blurry. But if it's got like dark blue on the bottom, then the chances are it's a British Airways. It's going to London Heathrow Airport, the busiest airport in London. Let's do some aviation, you know. Anyway, off to the next one. Okay, we've got a plane right here. If it's got that trail, yeah, then it's like 30,000 feet or over. Even 25,000 feet. Anyway, off to the next one. So we have what seems to be a Virgin Atlantic. I think it's a 777, or is it? No, it's a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, I think. That's beautiful, man. Yeah, because it's got that thing on its wing. Basically, like, I don't know what to call it. But I can tell it's a Virgin Atlantic because I swear I can see the Virgin Atlantic bit on the back. It doesn't say Atlantic, but I just like calling it Atlantic. Lost track of it, was it? It's going to London Heathrow Airport. All of these planes are. This birch tree anyway. And yes, I know what type of tree it is. Someone told me before. Anyway, off to the next one. Okay, looks like we've actually got a 777. Oh wait, no, maybe it's an A350. Yeah, you got that. I think it's Qatar. Oh wait, no, because you would have grey. I don't know. Could be a 777 or an A350. Probably 777. No, 787. Sorry. I can't really see it that good. Trying to, like, why not do aviation? Like, I like planes too, you know. Wait a minute, it looks like it's about to go in circles. Sometimes they do that too, like, because like there's so many planes. It's the busiest airport in London, so yeah, they go around circles sometimes. Anyway, off to the next one. Okay, as soon as I paused the recording, there was a British Airways A320 or an A319. No, at least an A320, I think. I don't know. It's one of them little baby planes. Since I posted recording, I saw it. So now there's more planes coming. I like it. This actually might not be as short as I thought it would be. My hands are so cold, but I'm just doing this for anyone who's also an aviation fan as well. Alright, off to the next one. Okay, we've got another plane, probably an SAS, I would say. A320. Or probably a Boeing 737. Actually, no, it can't be. It's an A320 or an A319. It's like, I feel like 737s are a bit bigger than that. I mean, they are, but like... I don't know. Actually, this is going to be the last plane, then I'll end the video, because I'm, like, so cold. Wait a minute. It's another plane. Where's that? Oh, it's up. It's above me. What are you doing? It sounds like it's lower. Yeah, it sounds way lower. Where is it? Was that plane circling? Oh, there's one right there. Must have been that then. This could be my last one. Oh yeah, this is. God, my hands are cold. Should have brought gloves. I mean, I only have one glove because I don't know where my other one is. Alright, bye guys.